Good day, sir. I am Alejo R. Lapot, and today I am going to compare and contrast verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So, verbal communication, this is a type of information in which the information is shared, spoken, or written. This type of communication have a quick feedback since the communication could be done face to face or through the use of phones using the internet. And nonverbal communication, nonverbal communication is a type of information in which the information is shared through facial expression facial expression and body gestures. The verbal communication and nonverbal communication are both essential ways in sharing information. Verbal communication and nonverbal communication are the most essential ways in sharing information, and when these two are combined, the information that have been shared could be very effective. And that's all. Thank you.